Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. In today's video, I want to give you a few words that are very useful to know when shopping. So we are going to look at two conversations with words add, minus, times, and divide by. These are 加、减、乘、除. At the end of each conversation, I will explain the pronunciation and the usage of several critical mathematical words in it. Alright, let's start. Here's a scenario. When we walk into a flower shop, we are faced with full bouquets. We have to ask the seller about the cost of the bouquets we want, and all the flowers are not marked with any price.
Welcome in here. 欢迎光临。
Seller, how much is this one? 老板，这个多少？
This one is 59. 这个59.
Then how much is that one? 那个多少？
That one is 89. 那个89.
I want this one and that one. 我要这个和那个。How much is the total? 一共多少？
Give me a few seconds to calculate. 我算一下。59 plus 89. 59加89 equals 158. 等于158。
Excuse me, seller. 老板，不好意思。You must miscalculate. 你应该算错了。158 minus 89. 158减89 equals 69. 是等于69。
Sorry, I pushed the wrong button. 抱歉，我打错了。Should be 148. 应该是148。148 in total. 总共是148。
It's fine. This is 200. 没事，这里是200。
$52 back for you. 找你52。
Alright, thanks. 好，谢谢。
Thank you. Welcome come back again then. 谢谢，欢迎再来。
Okay, let's take a look at a few Chinese characters and terms learned in this conversation. First, 老板. 老 means old or experienced. 板 in Chinese means boss. So generally speaking, 老板 means experienced boss. Ancient Chinese use the term 老板 to refer to the seller, which is also a kind of respect. Therefore, even if the seller this store is a store worker or someone is not a boss, he or she is also called 老板. 老板 老板. The second character 加 加 in Chinese means plus and add up. 加 加. And the third term 等于 means equal. We use the term 等于 very often. For example, we use 等于 whenever we discuss numbers, formally or informally. It is generally used in mathematical calculations, negotiating price, or discussing digital reports. 等于等于 Here's an example. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2加3等于5. The fourth character is 减. In Chinese means subtract, minus. 减减 like 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5减2等于3. And the fifth term, 一共 means altogether. 一共 is a more casual, common, informal term. Most people use this term very often. Every time you go shopping, you almost hear it all the times. 一共 like $300 altogether. 一共300元. Okay, the sixth term, 总共 means in total as well. 总共 also has the same meaning as 等于一共. 总共 is a bit more formal than 一共. We use 总共 more often when discussing quantitative reports. 总共 For example, $300 in total. 总共3000元. Okay, here is another scenario. Seller, I want 20 of this. 老板，我要20个这个。
That's $6.5 each. 那个6块5一个。
Okay, I want 20. 我要20个。
Give me a few seconds to calculate. 我算一下。
6.5 times 20.
6.5乘以20。130 in total. 总计130。
Let me take a look. 我看一看。130 divided by 6.5. 130除以 6.5 equals 20. 等于20. That's right, 130. 没错，130。Okay, please help me pack them. 好，请帮我包一下。
Plastic bag or paper bag. 塑胶袋还是纸袋
？Paper bags are fine. 纸袋就好。
Okay, thank you for coming. 好，谢谢光临。
Okay, let's take a look at a few Chinese words and terms learned in this conversation. The 7-character 点 means decimal point, small dot. At here, 13.5, where the dot is used as a decimal point. 13.5. We can also use 点 to express time, like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 下午3点. Okay, let's try to pronounce it. 点 Next, the last Chinese character is 乘. The meaning of 乘 is multiplied by times. 乘 To multiply by 3 equals 6. 2乘3等于6. Then, the ninth Chinese character is 除. 除 means divide by, division. 除 like 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6除2等于3. The 10th character is 总计also has the same meaning as 等于一共总共。总计 is a more formal term than 总共. It is most often used in meetings to report quantities, but it is also sometimes used in real life when sellers and buyers formally discuss quantity. Okay, please repeat after me. 总计 like add up to 200. 加起来总计200. Alright, that's all. And if you want to learn more Chinese characters and Mandarin conversations, make sure to check out our videos. In addition, to help you memorize Chinese characters. I made a copybook for you. That's 10 important Chinese characters and terms learned in this class. 2 versions of traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese. You may download the PDF directly, and the link is in the description box. Okay, and if you have any question about the course, suggestions, comments, please leave a message to me. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you next time.